Welcome to the walkthrough of the Sea Ray SPX 230. I'm sitting here on the transom and you can see the available swim step that we have. So this is a really great feature that allows you easy access in and out of the water. This is really great for hanging out with friends and family and again, coming in and out of the water. You can also see right behind me that we have a quite large sun pad, and on that sun pad is a convertible backrest. So again, you can watch what's going on out behind the boat and enjoy. Now I'm standing on the back of the SPX 230. A couple features to point out to you. First of all is the available sea deck, and really nice on your feet, a great option. In addition, from a propulsion perspective, this boat has a standard 250 horsepower Mercury engine with an Alpha 1 drive. It's also available with the Bravo 3 drive, and then you can also go up to a 300 horsepower with a Bravo 3 drive. As you come into the boat, you'll likely first notice the available bimini top. We also have a sports tower, which allows you to do your water sports, very easy tow point on it. And both options give you really great sun coverage for that time when you want to duck out of the sun when it's getting a little hot during the day. Before we were looking at the sun pad from the aft end, but I want to show you how easy it is to deploy. So you pretty much just lift up and there you go. In addition, it's really easy to access the engine as well as storage on the starboard side. You just flick a switch and the hatch opens. And again, easy access to everything you have for your engine as well as great storage for everything that you need for a day on the water. As we're in the cockpit, I want to point out a few things. The first, there's generous seating for 13 people. Second is all the storage that's available. Looking aft, there's a great cooler. Easy access when you lift up the cushion, more storage on the starboard side, and then some finished storage along this area. And then on the port side, more storage. So sitting in the cockpit of the boat, you'll notice the upholstery package. This one's in ivory, and we also have a dune package, which are more brown tones. You'll also notice the contrast stitching and the fine detail with Sea Ray logos, as well as some finer detail at the top of all of the cushions. As we come to the dash, there are several things that you'll notice. The first one, really important to any day on the water, is the audio. So we have Fusion throughout all of our boats. This one has the Fusion head unit, as well as 4 speakers and a premium upgraded sound system. So that includes a subwoofer as well as amplifiers. In addition, you'll notice the fine Woodgrain panels and a very modern, sleek dash. This has gauges as standard, but additionally there are 2 options. The first one, there are 2 gauges with a 5-inch display from Simrad. It will include your chart plotting as well as sonar. And then there's another option which removes all the gauges and you just have a 9-inch display that includes Mercury Vessel View Link. Mercury Vessel View Link will have your data from your engine as well as diagnostics. In addition to that, you'll have the chart plotting and sonar capabilities. As you come to the port side helm, again, a few features to point out. First of all, this boat has a head where you have available a portable head or a pump out head. In addition, really nice detail on the top with cup holder. And looking at the helm seats on both sides, they both have flip up bolsters. So again, if you're looking to peer over the windshield as you're underway, very easy to do with lifting up the bolster. There's also generous storage in the bow on both the port and the starboard side. So all you have to do is lift up the cushion, and again, nice finished storage. There's also in the bow, up front, a storage area for an anchor. Thanks for joining us on this walkthrough of the Sea Ray SPX 230. Please visit searay.com to configure your very own boat.